Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have a creamy sriracha dip. Real easy to do, absolutely delicious, perfect for any get-together or anything like that. Okay, first thing we got to do is add 1 cup of sour cream. By the way, this is where these deli containers become really useful. Just make it and throw it away when it's done. To that, you want to add a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, and then 2 tablespoons of sriracha sauce. And then you want to add a 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, a tablespoon of dried chives. If you do use fresh, up it to 2 tablespoons. And a 1/4 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. And then, of course, salt and pepper. Then you just want to grab a whisk or a spoon, whisk everything around. Keep going till everything is well blended together. And at the end of it, you should be looking at something that looks a little bit like this. So that's Creamy Siracha Dip. Perfect for chips. And it's done.